In this video, I will show you how you can hide apps on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to settings. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, you will find the option of hide apps on home screen and app screen. Just tap on it. Now on this page, just select the apps which you want to hide. Now after you select the apps which you want to hide, then just select done. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the app drawer, as you can see the selected apps has been hidden from the app screen and from the home screen. Just like that. And if you want to unhide the hidden apps, then just go back to settings. Now just go back to the hide apps section. And from here, just tap on the minus icon on the apps which you want to unhide. As you can see, this is the hidden apps section. Now after you select the apps which you want to unhide, then just tap on done. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, you will find all the apps back into your app drawer. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.